Hey friend, what if I show you an amazing software that allows you to get free buyer traffic from a 3 billion traffic sources in 45 seconds? Now let me introduce you to TubeStorm. TubeStorm is a push button app that allows you to drive 100% free buyer traffic to any link from YouTube and Google in just seconds. Now it has all the tools you need to get 100% free traffic on complete autopilot without lifting a finger, without doing any hard work. So I'm going to log into Vita now. So I'm going to log into TubeStorm now to show you how this powerful software works. Okay, so here is TubeStorm Dashboard, as you can see. So we have on the left hand side of the dashboard, we have the social accounts, we have the automation tools, we have the search tools, and we have the reporting. So now the very first thing you need to do is to import your YouTube channel into TubeStorm, because TubeStorm actually allow you to find trending and viral videos online, then re-upload them to start getting traffic to any of your links. So I'm going to show you how that works. So you go to social accounts, and then you click on import channel. You click on sign in with Google. So once you're done, you click on continue button here, and it will redirect to TubeStorm Dashboard. So as you can see, in just one click, I'm able to import my YouTube channel. So you can see my channel stats. So if you can check the channels I just imported, just go to social accounts, you're going to see there. So you can add as many channels as possible. So once you've imported your channel, the next thing you want to do is to find hot trending videos that you can use to drive traffic to your own links as well. So and how do you do that? You go to where we have search tools, and on the search tools, as you can see, we have different search engine. We have video search engine, we have channel search engine, and we have playlist search engine. So which means you can use to search for videos or search channels or search playlists. Okay, aside that, we also have the keyword finder. This keyword finder allows us to spy on high performing videos, like viral videos. When you search for videos using TubeStorm, you can copy the ID and search for the keyword being used in that video to rank high on YouTube and Google, which means you can just duplicate the same system the user is using to generate tons and tons of traffic and implement it in your own video as well in just a single click. So the very first thing we need to do is to go to videos to search for viral trended video. So here I'm just going to search for a particular keyword. So let's say what I want to promote is affiliate marketing. I'm going to enter the affiliate marketing keyword, and as you can see, we have the result limit. Here you specify the number of results you want. We have the order. Maybe you want to search by relevance, dates, ratings, title, and the likes. Also, you can specify some other things. If you want to search based on channel ID, you want to search a particular channel, then you place the channel ID here. So there's so many things you can turn on and off here. So I'll just go straight to where we have the license. The Creative Commons give you the opportunity to actually use other people's video without having any lawsuit or infringing on their copyrights. So now I'm just going to click on the search button. And as you can see, in just one click, we have tons of videos that are doing really well. This one has 378,000 views. This one has 922,000 views, as you can see. So now all you have to do is just to download this video and re-upload using TubeStorm. So how do you do that? The very first thing you need to do is to ensure that you copy the video ID. Can you see? You can copy the URL here, and here you can see the tag and the keyword. Now this is where you see all the tags and the keyword that this particular video is using to rank higher on YouTube and Google, and in turn getting over 922,000 visitors. So you can copy the URL. As you can see, URL copied, so I can paste it on a notepad, and then you can also open the tag and keyword, so that automatically it search for the keywords and the tags being used in that video. And as you can see, you see all the tags there. Can you see? Over 16 tags. So these are the things you're also going to copy and use in your own video. So once we are so sure this is what we want to do, so you can download the tags and video. Can you see it? Just click on the download and it downloads automatically or you can just copy and paste. So the next thing is to download the video. So I'm going to scroll down here and click on the download button. Okay, so as you can see, I'll just hit the download button, and in one click the video will start downloading. Can you see that? So now once you download the video, the next thing we need to do is to go to automation tools, where we have a channel manager. So click on the channel manager button, and then you have access to all these automation tools. As you can see, we have the like or comment campaign. This allow you to auto like people's videos and auto comment on people's video as well. That's what this auto comment campaign is all about. And aside that, it also has a powerful feature that allows you to delete abusive words or abusive comments on your videos automatically. And trust me, this is super easy to use and user friendly. So also we have the subscription campaign. This allows you to auto subscribe to certain channels. All you just have to do is just to enter the keyword, and you'll be able to subscribe to as many video channels as possible. Then we have the video manager, where you can edit the video and all that. We have the playlist manager, where you can manage the playlist. So that brings us to the last part, where we're actually going to upload video. This is where you can actually upload the video you just downloaded. So you click on action, and then you have access to this page. So just click on the upload new video. So once you click on upload new video, as you can see, we have the video title here. So all you need to do is just look for the video title. So let's say I'm going with this. You can do this. Can you see that the video description? So you can as well visit the video if you want to copy the description, or you can just come up with your own description. So now once I'm done, I go back to the video description and just enter your video description and type in there. So now the next thing is the video tags. So this is where the video tags comes in. So you can copy all the tags, as you can see. Just copy as many as possible, or the one you just downloaded, just copy and paste it here as well. Can you see? So you copy as many videos as possible. Then you select the video category. So you can just select the how to start. Can you see? Then you make it public, of course, because you want the video to be accessible, so that you can start getting tons and tons of traffic to your video, and from people watching your video you can direct them to any of your links or affiliate offers. So once it's that, then you set the time zone, and if you want to schedule your video, in case you don't want to send it instantly, you can schedule your video. And once you're done, you just drag and drop the video here, and you click on the create campaign. And that's all you need to upload your video to your YouTube channel using TubeStorm. So TubeStorm allows you to find trending videos, viral videos with a lot of traffic, and duplicate their results, so that you can start getting the same results in just few clicks. So aside that, there's also some inbuilt management that actually let you do wonderful things with every video in your channel. So from here you can do advanced stuff like setting auto replies, like I said earlier on, edit your videos, rank trackings, as you can see, auto reply, link wheel, which allow you to create backlinks and link up to like 3 to 4 5 videos together, so you can direct your visitors to multiple videos. So TubeStorm is a very powerful software to drive traffic from YouTube and Google. Thank you for watching.